Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy M15. To this operation, we have placed two SIM card and we have to get this key to open the SIM card slot. So there is a place here on the upper corner and there is a little hole. So we're gonna put these little things into the hole. Release the SIM card slot, and there is the two places for the SIM card. Yep, there is the SIM one, so we have to place it, and on the back there is a second place for the second card. Of course, if you don't place here the SIM card on it, you can place the microSD card if you have. So you have choice, or you have the dual SIM option in your phone, or you have one SIM and one memory card. There is no other way. So let's go back, hole to hole, and slide it into your phone gently. That's it. As you see, there is two options. So set up your SIM card, and as you see, we have two SIM card placed in our phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!